Hi, Dr. Shmaila here. I'm physiotherapist. Today I will teach you some basic concepts related to kinesiology. Now, start. What is kinesiology? Kinesiology is, if we look at this term kinesiology, then kinesiology is combination of two words: kine, movement, logy, study. That means it is the study of movement. Kinesiology brings together the fields of anatomy, physiology, physics, and geometry and relate them to the human movements. Thus, kinesiology utilizes principles of mechanics, musculoskeletal anatomy, including muscles, joints, etc., and neuromuscular physiology. It is used by manual therapists, physical therapists, occupational therapists who adjust environment of the patient according to their needs, and sports physicians who work in sports with the team. Now, what is physiotherapy? It is one of the healing science which pertains with the assessment and evaluations of neurological, musculoskeletal, cardiovascular, including respiratory, cardiac diseases, and beside this including pain and those disorders that are psychosomatic in origin related to mind and body. It deals with treatment by natural sources based on movement, exercises, manual therapy, electrotherapy, means modalities like ultrasound, ultraviolet rays, EMS sector, and other physical agents like traction exercise to relieve pain, to improve function, and to prevent and correct deformities of any body part. Now, what is rehabilitation? Rehabilitation is basically action of restoring someone to health or normal life through training and therapy after imprisonment, addiction, or illness. No, mechanics and biomechanics. What is mechanics? Mechanics is the branch of physics dealing with the study of forces and the motions produced by their actions, while the biomechanics involves taking the principle and methods of mechanics and applying them to the structure and function of the human body. Bio means life. Now look at this flow chart. First, mechanics and biomechanics. Two branches: statics and dynamics. Dynamics is further divided into two branches: kinematics and kinetics. And kinematics is further divided into two branches: osteokinematics and orthokinematics. Now look at their definitions one by one. What is statics? Statics deals with the factors associated with non-moving or nearly moving system. As the term shows, statics means non-moving. Dynamics involves factors associated with moving systems. Dynamics further divided into kinematics, kinetics and kinematics. Kinetics deals with the forces causing movement in a system, while kinematics involves the time, space and mass aspects of a moving system. What is osteokinematics? Osteokinematics deals with the movement of the bones without regard to the movement of the joints, such as shoulder flexion and extension, while orthokinematics deals with the manner in which adjoining joint surfaces move in relation to each other, that is, in the same or opposite direction. Hopefully, you like it. Thank you.